Hey guys, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. Today we've got a nice and simple video showing you how to install a nano SIM card into the OnePlus Nord 2 5G. So if you've just got this phone or you're looking to get it and you want to know how to install the SIM, this is the video for you. So all you'll need for this is a SIM ejection tool. This should have come in the box, but if you don't have one, you can just use a paper clip. And you just want to take your OnePlus Nord 2, and head to the bottom. It can be switched on. You'll see at the bottom here we have the speaker grill, the Type-C connector, the microphone, and then this slot on the left that has a hole on the left side. You just want to put the tool into there, push down firmly, and it should pop out like so, and you can see you can just grab it with your fingers like that. And then if you keep it in this orientation with the screen facing up, this is the SIM 1 slot, so you can go ahead and put the SIM in. You want to have the contacts facing outwards from the metal, so just go ahead and pop it in like so until it's flush like that. And then if you want to install a second SIM, you can install one on the back, and those little holes there are, if it doesn't pop out, you can use the tool to simply push through there to pop the SIM out. And that red is the rubber gasket to keep the phone waterproof. So once you've got it installed, you want to have the SIM facing towards the screen, or the little hole that you put the SIM ejection towards the left of the phone. You just want to go ahead and slot it back in, keep it nice and flush to keep it waterproof, so you can see it's all flush again, and then you should get signal if you turn the phone on. Give it a second, you can see we've got bars of signal up there at the top. So that's how you install the nano SIM. If you guys have any questions, do post a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this useful, do please hit that like button down below, and if you're not already subscribed, get subscribed over there on the left for future content. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.